I have two excellent products to introduce today, and one is Camera Strap Master and the other is Camera Strap Pro, and both are from PGYTECH. And now they have come up with the latest camera straps for professional photographers and videographers. Oh, there's something really nice, so let me snap and shoot. I wonder if you guys have noticed that this camera is not swaying, it's staying in place, and that's because it has the snap and shoot technology. Right now the strap is locked, so I just need to snap, and now you can slide this way and that way. So look, not swaying, not swaying, not swaying. And snap and shoot. So to show you guys the detail, can you see right now it's locked? So now you see this is unlocked. So the strap can move in and out. And if I press the side button, you hear the click. Now this is locked. You see the clamp that have come down and locking the strap. So you cannot pull the strap. That's how the camera stays in place. And to unlock, just snap, lock, snap, lock, snap. And if you guys wanna, for example, take the camera to place it on tripod or put it on a gimbal and so on, you wanna take the camera off as quickly as possible because you have a lot of work. It's really easy. This quick release system, unbutton and unbutton the other side. You saw how I did it with just one hand, because the other hand I'm either holding the camera, holding other gears, and it's very easy to switch from the Camera Strap Pro onto other accessories as you need.
With triple point stability, as you can see, you're not gonna have shakes during lens changes or motion shots, ensuring steady shots. And there is a detachable underarm strap, and you can adjust to 4 different positions. As you can see, it clicks onto different positions. I have it here, and I can also have it at the end. The max load is up to 90 kilograms, so it can handle pretty much any gears out there. And the cord here has 3-layer visual wear indicator. There is also the yellow and also the red warning layer. So if you need to change the beads, it will tell you. I'm showing you guys the quick release plate. It has the patented multi-lock design for ultimate safety. So it enjoys the patented anti-loosening screw. So all your expensive gears are kept really safe.
As you would expect with a high quality camera strap, this is really comfortable. So this camera strap is 60mm the width, so this wide shoulder pad is very comfortable for all day shooting. And the shoulder pad, it does have 3 layers. So on top is the premium quality leather. So the logo sits very comfortably on this premium leather surface of the upper part. And inside, can you see how it's a little bit thicker, the padding here, and also on this side? Inside, it has the EPDM foam core, the foam lining inside, and the bottom layer, it is a premium quality suede, really soft to the touch, so it does not harm your skin, harm your fabric of clothes. And the suede lining doesn't slip that easily, so it sits very comfortably on your shoulder. The lining, it's really nice. So by now, I'm sure you have noticed how it fits comfortably on my body. And you might wonder, is it suitable for big guys? Is it suitable for smaller, petite ladies? If you see at the back, you see how there are plenty of length left on the strap. So I'm just gonna detach here. Look how the camera is now hanging at the bottom if I fully extend the camera strap. So a person, a giant person, 190 centimeters, those guys with big biceps, you guys can enjoy this PGYTECH Camera Strap Pro. And also, if you pull it right down, a petite lady can also enjoy this camera strap as well. So 150 centimeter to 190 centimeter in height. So pretty much anyone can enjoy this camera strap. And because the straps are adjustable, of course, you can enjoy it like a single shoulder use. And this is also really comfortable as well. So it's up to you how you use your Camera Strap Pro. And there are 56 ventilation holes. So you can see that, yes, it's very airy. So even the weather like today, it's really hot. but you know, you can see that I'm not sweating on my shoulder. For those of you guys who want quick comparison with Camera Strap Air, which I also really enjoy using from PGYTECH, this is super light, very easy to carry if you're traveling around. Yes, it does sort of nag on your shoulder because the shoulder pad is slimmer and the padding, the cushion, there is a little less of it. You can carry like this, which is actually one of my favorite ways to actually carry the camera, but I do still think that for people who are covering events, who are carrying their heavy camera with big lenses, this shoulder pad is definitely more comforting. And talking about the wedding events, I have another product to introduce, and it's Camera Strap Master. So you can see how this gear, the Camera Strap Master, would be so useful for event shooting like wedding and so on. You can have camera here and on this side as well as here as well. So you can have 3 cameras, you can enjoy the telephoto, zoom and prime lens camera all in one go, all with you. So with the models you can see, this is how you would use this Camera Strap Master. Looks really hot. Or you can enjoy having binocular like what I have. So if you guys do wildlife photography, then you can also enjoy this setup as well. It's a shame, you know, I only have one camera, so I just have it on one side, but you can see that actually the balance is not even that bad. So even if you have bigger lens here, smaller lens there, you're not gonna have problem with the whole balance of this strap. So this Camera Strap Master also enjoy the snap and shoot technologies. So if I see something really nice, then, you know, right now it's locked, so it's not swaying. You know, you can't pull the string. All you need to do is snap and slide it and shoot. It's so easy. So let me show you the action in real quick motion. So easy and smooth. And all these cameras, binoculars, all very easy to take off with one hand, and also the camera as well with one hand, because I'm sure you'll be very busy if you're already having 3 cameras. I'm sure you're going to be so busy in a big event and so on. You can quickly release any of the gears with these quick release beads, and these beads, of course, they can carry up to 90 kilograms. But just imagine having 90 kilograms on your body. That's just insane. But you know, if you have heavy lens, then you definitely want camera strap with heavy load, because you know, if it says 90, so if you like drop a camera accidentally, then if a camera strap can carry up to 90 kilograms, it's going to keep all your equipment really safe. And the shoulder pads here, they share the same mechanism as the Camera Strap Pro that I showed you. So 60 millimeter width. So plenty, it's definitely the wider shoulder pad, and also it has a premium leather on top, and inside there is an EPDM foaming core, so it's very cushiony, very comfortable to your shoulder, and also underneath it's lined with beautiful soft suede, and it's non-slip, very comfortable. And you can see that I don't have sweat on my shoulder. And also the back side, it has plenty of ventilation holes. Can you see? I can see you guys. So you're gonna stay dry and fresh, most likely, if you're not in the desert. And lastly, these camera straps, they come in, right now I'm wearing the midnight black, but it also comes in wilderness green. Both colors are really beautiful. With the weather getting slightly cooler, you want to get ready for wedding season, event season, and so on, then why not invest some money into high quality, professional looking camera straps from PGYTECH. If you want more information, don't forget to click the link down below, and I'll be back with another interesting gadget review. So see you!